Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Today we're checking out something absolutely wild. This isn't just a small upgrade. The new Nano Banana Pro is a full-blown evolution in AI image generation. So if you thought the original Nano Banana was impressive, this version is an entirely different level. Here's why. First, the biggest breakthrough is through 2K and 4K image generation. Not upscaled, not artificially sharpened, but real, crisp, native 4K output with stunning clarity. I mean, just look at this. Second, for the first time ever, the model can accurately interpret and render AI generated text. Nano Banana Pro includes three reasoning models, meaning it doesn't just generate images, it actually thinks before it creates them. So enough talking, let me show you what this thing can do. Let's jump in. So to try Nano Banana Pro, head over to gemini.google.com. I got an early access. So click on New Chat, click on Tools, and select Create Images. So it will directly use Nano Banana Pro. So I uploaded my image and used this prompt. A close-up of a female World War II soldier, rain pouring down as dark clouds loom overhead, captured in a dramatic, etc. So hit generate, and look at this result. This is mind blowing. It's insane. The consistency is unbelievable. The character is literally me, and the 4K detail even captured my pores right there. Next level realism. Then I tested an extreme close up of my face, so this output is pure madness. Perfect stability. So razor sharp detail, everything looks clean and cohesive. So my prompt was extreme close-up portrait, hyper-detailed facial features, sharp skin texture, realistic pores, cinematic lighting, high-resolution 8K, ultra photorealistic, shallow depth of field, eyes in perfect focus, and hit generate, and then I got this result. So again, everything looks clean and cohesive. Now to push it even further, I generated 100 times close up of my eye. So the prompt was extreme close up, hyper detailed eye features, sharp skin texture, realistic pores, cinematic lighting, high resolution 8K, ultra photorealistic, shadow depth of field, my eyes in 100 times perfect focus. And it rendered it with precise accuracy. The image file alone is 2.4 MB. So you can even see the darker region inside my right eye. So the color of my eye is brown because I'm a Filipina and the model replicated it exactly. I asked it to create a transparent mechanical keyboard showing every switch, spring, and LED underneath, and it rendered it with zero distortions. Then I made a fun prompt. So I said, a panda in a red raincoat calmly reading a newspaper while sitting on a floating wooden chair. And Nano Banana Pro nailed it perfectly. So here's another example. I have a photo of mine right here, and I said, make this look like it was taken during winter. Amazing. Look at the detail, look at the backdrop. This winter backdrop looks amazing. It looks so real. I could use this as my cover photo on Facebook or Instagram or other social media accounts. And another one, I said, adjust the camera angle and lighting. And again, it did it perfectly. Here's another example. I have a photo of Wonder Woman movie scene, and I asked Nano Banana Pro to create the opposite viewpoint of the same scene. The older model couldn't do it, but Nano Banana Pro delivered a perfect result. So this opens a massive opportunity for film creation, being able to expand a single photograph into infinite angles with consistent accuracy. So I have another one right here, turning a Google Maps screenshot into a hyper detailed top-down 3D style render. So yes, it can turn this simple map screenshot into this detailed aerial view. Amazing. So this is why Nano Banana Pro might be the best image generator available right now. Native 4K output, perfect text, actual reasoning, it doesn't just make images, it understands them. So I have another example. I said, create a close-up 2000s era digicam photo of Donald Trump, Justin Bieber, and Post Malone in a cab after a night out. The door to the cab is open as if they just got in and their friend is taking a photo of them. And the result is crazy. Another one right here, I said a close up of a female World War II nurse in a battlefield hospital. Soft lighting reflecting off medical tools as chaos blurs behind her. captured in a cinematic style. The result is amazingly beautiful. And another one right here, I said generate an image of a Windows OS with YouTube open, and this is the result. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezer, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezer handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Fraser is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Fraser now. Just go to getfraser.in.